Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2016, this is a Kia Optima with two trouble codes, P0014 the P1326. Let me show you what happened with this kind of valve. Look, we have a lot of pieces of metal between the line pressure to the oil, and look, I'm sure 100% that these pieces of metal is from the oil pump. This is a pretty common issue on the Kia Sorento, Kia Optima with this kind of motor. Okay, so we need to replace the oil pump or talk to the customer and say that his motor is done, is not working properly, and he needs to replace the motor, in my opinion. All right, because this is a lot of, so if the customer say I don't have money for now, so just we're going to clean the valve, erase codes, and go to make a test drive and see if the codes is done. But you know what, when I put the motor on the 2500 RPMs, has the knocking on the motor, so I'm pretty sure that this motor is done. Okay, look the trouble codes, guys. Pay a lot of attention with these trouble codes, P0014 and P1326. This is the description: exhaust camshaft position be timing over advance or system performance to the bank one, and the knock signal range performance. So look, the second code, that's very bad because the motor is knocking. All right, so for now we need to talk to the customer, and if you have this kind of codes, guys, just go to check your valve. If just see like oil is good, but the pieces of metal is not good. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, like and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.